Everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily, let's say, add page to your header or add a new item in your header in Mobirise. So what you want to do is when you're here, you want to click on whatever page you have, don't click on the icon, and just click add item. And voila, when you have contact us, we can just remove icon, and now just click link it page. Yeah, I know this one here. Nice. And now we have the contact us, the new page in our header, in our head. So when I go to my page, you can see it. I'm gonna click on preview in browser, and here we have it. And when I'm going to click contact us, look at this, we are on the contact page. So this is how you can add it. This is how you can add a new page in on the header. Thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.